Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. 12 days of Vlogmas, of course. I'm your host. If you guys are new, thank you for tuning in and joining me this 12 days of Vlogmas. And if you're not new, thank you as always for being loyal. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you join the fam, because December Vlogmas is going to be really lit, and January I have something even better and special coming. So like, it's gonna be a long ride, so make sure you guys are tuned in. So I'm not doing a day in a life, of course. I already did that, but you know, if you guys have questions, don't forget to make sure to, you know, leave me some comments and everything. Today I'm gonna take you guys, what am I doing? I'm going to work right now. I'm actually about to head to Smoothie King because I love Smoothie King, and it's Friday and it's $5 Friday. So I'm gonna go get a smoothie if I can get out of this traffic. I usually just call my smoothies in and order them so I can run in and run out, okay? So I got my smoothie and I got the $5 Friday. So big. I really should just got a small. I don't really know why I got that big one, because it's $5, that's why. But it's a lot to drink. Anywho, I get the vegan mango kale, sub apples for peaches, and I'm pretty basic when it comes to my smoothies. There's only like 2, maybe 3 that I kind of rotate between. So it's that one, or I get the peach slice plus and I add yogurt to that thing because it is so bomb. Hello everyone, so you guys are seeing me again because I'm on my lunch break from work. I actually had all my patients canceled this afternoon. Well, okay, so I get off at like 2:30 on Fridays, and I had an eval that was scheduled, but I think the eval like rescheduled, so that took up pretty much my afternoon because I would have seen them from like 1 to 2, and then I leave at 2:30. So actually it's only like an hour. I'm tripping. I thought I had 2 hours. Lunch is from 12 to 1. I get off at 2:30, so I'm only there for an hour and a half. Oh, I'm tripping. Like literally, I can go home. I'm thinking that I still had 2 more hours of my day. Oh my God, that is crazy. I only have an hour and a half of my day left. That's why I really should just go home. But so I decided to go ahead and like, it's just gonna be me for Christmas. I'm not going home. No one's coming to see me or visit me. But I decided, like, you know what, like I want to get in the Christmas spirit. My house doesn't feel Christmassy or anything like that, so I decided that I'm going to you know, put up a tree and, you know, have my lights and everything like that. So I ordered the tree from Walmart. I have to go pick the tree up. I ordered like some decorations from Michael's. I have to go pick that up, and then there's like a few things that I want to put on my tree, and I need to pick that up from like Hobby Lobby and stuff. So on my break right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm running to like Hobby Lobby just to go, you know, check it out and see if anything is even left. So okay, so like I was looking at these kind of on the tree because they're like rose gold, and I think this is super cute. So I'm gonna get these because they're like 99 cents. So I'm gonna get a few of these, and I did not grab a cart, so this is gonna be really difficult. Let me go get a cart. Sorry, I feel like I've been all over the place. I actually just left a queue. I got to go observe a little bit. I saw 2 patients, and it was like so nice just to like take a step in there. 2 patients that we did see were kind of really sick though, so it was still a good experience. Got some good information, just kind of got the vibe again, which is something that I do like. So acute care is something that I'm still completely interested in. You guys also know that I kind of want to work my way to like a NICU possibly, so those are like my 2 high priority top interests at this time. So yeah, swallowing, I like swallowing. I'm gonna probably be getting some more experience with dysphagia within the next week or so, because I definitely have an eval coming up, and you know, like it's really good. Like I'm so glad that I chose to come here for my, you know, first job because I feel like I'm just getting a great experience, like I told y'all. Oh, guys, oh my God, I have a headache. When you shop, do y'all get headaches when y'all shop? Okay. Anywho, it is 4:57 and I'm like I'm crazy for deciding that all of a sudden I want to decorate. Actually, I'm not crazy, but I just don't like last minute. I would have been able to record for y'all like inside of the store, but every store I've been in has been packed like crazy, and it was just trying to maneuver around people, trying to maneuver through the stuff that's left, because I'm basically like picking through what is left, like barely trying to like find stuff. So that was kind of a struggle. As y'all can see, here's kind of what I bought, I guess. Like I got some bags right here. I bought these chips because I was hungry from Marshall's or something. Like what? These things are disgusting. And I also have like some bags back there. Not too much. I didn't buy this, somebody gave that to me. But yeah, guys, like the struggle is real out here, like when you are last minute Christmas or anything shopping. So do not wait to the last minute for any holiday, okay? Get your stuff ahead of time. Here's my list. I have everything crossed off. The only thing I still need to do is, of course, go grocery shopping, which I'm doing that another day. I'm not doing that today. I guess I'm gonna buy me some food. I don't know what I'm gonna buy though. Pizza. Guys, I just got home. It is like 6:40 and I'm literally about to leave my house again. I am so, like, I have this headache. Oh my God. But I didn't even pick up the stuff that I needed to pick up that I already bought. I didn't pick up my tree and stuff because I was going to the Michaels to pick up the ornaments and stuff, and it was the wrong ornament. I didn't take my camera in because just my head was hurting and it's still hurting right now. I'm about to take some medicine and I'm about to go back out because I'm the kind of person that I had a list. I just want to get it done because I do not want to be running around tomorrow. But I ended up coming to the one that's by my house, and I should have came to this one last so I could just come and go home. So, and I didn't know. I didn't realize where it was. So I'm like frustrated with myself for doing that, but I'll show y'all what I bought when I get back. I'm about to change, get out of these clothes, take some medicine, grab something to eat, and go. So I can run, get this, and come on home, because your girl is not doing this tomorrow. I just said that, but my head hurt. So I'm repeating myself. Ow, like it hurts to bend down and pick up my stuff. So right now I'm inside of Target. I'm just like picking up a couple of things because I want to exchange some stuff. And yeah, y'all, I'm tired. But we're making it. I'm gonna pick up this tree from Target, and I gotta pick up like 3 other things from Target, and I feel like there's something else I need, but I can't find it. I really gotta use the bathroom, so I'm actually gonna go try to find the bathroom right now. And what else did I want to get? I know I really didn't show like me in the stores as much just because the stores were so packed today, guys. Like everybody was out doing their last minute shopping. I was digging through stuff that was really like I was barely finding stuff that I was digging through. Y'all only take one trip when you get out of the car, because literally everything I have is going on my arm, and this camera too. Let's go. Look at this. And I'm gonna put some honey on it. When I was in DC, it was this restaurant that I went to. They made pepperoni pizza, and it had like basically honey on it as well. Oh my God, that was like so good. So like, I don't put much honey on it, just a little drizzle, you know, just a little something, something, little something, something. And we're gonna eat this pizza. This Santa snow, and I'm going to spray it on my tree. Ooh, perfect. See, I don't think I pulled these out good enough. guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in with me and seeing what I'm doing in a day. Not in a day, but today. This is Vlogmas at least. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, thanks for checking me out. If you're not new, thank you for being loyal. Make sure you turn that notification bell on, guys, because December and January are gonna be pretty busy months. Like, videos, content are coming out every day in January for January, and the next 12 days, or I'm not sure what number vlog this is, but for the next days until Christmas Day is gonna be the last video until Christmas. So, all right guys, see ya, bye.